Hello students, this is Kadam sir from Civil Department of Pravin Patel College. Till now we have completed 5 chapters of our subject Solid Waste Management. Now in this video we will complete our last chapter, that is Legal Aspects of Solid Waste Management. So let's see the important questions for exam point of view. So explain in brief the present scenario with regard to the collection of municipal solid waste. So this is 4-mark question. And the answer is, according to the Municipal Waste Management Rule 2000, it is the responsibility of the municipalities to prohibit littering of solid waste in cities, towns, and in urban areas notified by the government. To facilitate compliance, municipal authority have to organize house-to-house collection through any of the methods, and the methods are community bin collection, house-to-house collection, collection on regular time interval which must be pre-informed, and scheduling by using bell ringing of musical vehicles without exceeding the noise levels. So to increase the collection efficiency, the integration of these methods is required. The transportation of municipal solid waste is generally carried out twice in a week or weekly basis by container carriers. However, in small cities, towns, and rural areas, open trucks, dumper trucks are used for waste collection. In recent times, with support of NGO and local communities, waste collection efficiency has increased remarkably in few rural areas. Since collection costs are 50 to 70% of the solid waste budget, it is the most significant area for cost reductions. Irrelated variables such as labor cost, crew size, union restrictions, collection frequency, distance, that is travel time, to disposal and performance, and annual cost of the equipment must be considered during planning stage. So this is the present scenario with regard to collection of municipal solid waste. Now let's move to the next question, that is, state any two features of biomedical waste management of handling rule 1998. So this is 2-mark question. So let's see the features of biomedical waste management handling rule 1998. So first rule is, biomedical waste shall not be mixed with other wastes. And the second rule is, biomedical waste shall be segregated into containers or bags at the point of generation in accordance with the Schedule 2 prior to its storage, transportation, treatment, and disposal. And the container shall be labeled according to the Schedule 3. So these are the two features of biomedical waste management handling rule 1998. Now let's see that rule in brief. So question is, explain in detail about the biomedical waste management and handling rule 1998. This is 4-mark question and very important question for MSBT exam point of view. So the solution is, biomedical waste management and handling rule 1998 were notified by the Ministry of Environment and Forest in July 1998. According to it, safe disposal of biomedical waste is a legal requirement in India. According to these rules, it is the duty of every occupier, that is a person who has the control over the institution or its premises, to take all steps to ensure that waste generated is handled without any adverse effect to the human health and environment. The hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, pathological lab, etc. are required to set in place the biomedical waste treatment facilities. It is necessary to ensure that the waste is treated within a period of 48 hours. The 6 schedules of biomedical waste management are as follows. So there are 6 schedules. First schedule contains the classification of biomedical waste in various categories should be done. Second schedule is of color coding and different types of containers should be used for each category of biomedical waste. Third schedule is of performa of the label should be used on containers or bags. Fourth schedule is of transport of biomedical waste should be done in a vehicle having biohazard symbol. Fifth schedule contains standards for treatment and disposal of biomedical waste should be used. And sixth schedule states that deadline for creation of waste treatment facilities should be specified. So this is the question of details about biomedical waste management handling rule 1998 and comes for 4 marks. Now let's see the schedule 2 of biomedical waste management and handling rule 1998. So schedule 2 is of color coding and types of container for disposal of biomedical waste. So yellow color is the plastic bag category 1, category 2 and category 3 and category 6, and the treatment for the waste in container yellow is by the method of incineration or deep burial. Red color is disinfected container is of plastic bag having waste of category 3, category 6 and category 7, and the treatment for such waste is by autoclaving, microwaving or chemical treatment method. Blue or white translucent color are the plastic bags or the puncture proof having waste of category 4 and category 7, and the treatment for such waste disposal are the method of autoclaving, microwaving, chemical treatment and destruction or shredding. And the black color plastic bag contains waste of category 5 and category 9 and category 10, and the treatment for such waste is done by the method of disposal in secured landfill. So this question also comes for 4 marks in your MSBT examination. So that's all in this last chapter of solid waste management. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live sessions. Thank you very much.